Welcome to Smart English Learner. Let's make your dream of becoming a terrific English speaker come true. In this video, you will learn all the questioning or interrogative words of English. Please repeat after me. How? 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 What? 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 Why? 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 When? 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 Where? 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 Which? 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 Who? 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 Whom? 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 Whose? 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 Was? 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 Were? 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 Will? 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 Would? 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 Is? 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 Am? 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 Are? 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 Can? 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 Could? 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 May? 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 Have? 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 Has? 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 Had? 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 Do? 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 Does? 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 Did? 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 Shall? 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 Should? 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 Learn all these questioning or interrogative words. Note them down in your copy and try to make sentences with them on your own. Also help others to make them awesome English speakers. Thank you.